Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are diving into the fundamental building block of the web, the Hypertext Transfer Protocol or HTTP. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Think of it as the language computers use to communicate and exchange information over the internet. So HTTP behind the scene follows client server model. The client, like your web browser, sends the request to the server like a website for data. The server processes the request and sends back a response, which might be a web page or any other information. Let's understand what is hypertext. Hyper refers to the ability to move from one place to another. Remember, plain text alone can't navigate the web. HTTP transformed text into hypertext, allowing links and embedded information to travel across the internet. So when you type www.google.com into your browser, HTTP transforms the information, enabling you to access the website. HTTP defines a set of rules and actions like get, post, delete, put that dictate how information is exchanged and how you can access the information. We'll explore these actions in detail later along with how they function within the REST architecture. One of the most important property of HTTP is statelessness. Each request is treated independently. So what does that mean? The server does not remember previous interactions. However, applications can maintain some data through cookies and session management, which are separate mechanisms. Think of them as temporary nodes compared to HTTP's forgetful nature. How HTTP works behind the scene. HTTP works at the application layer and relies on the TCP or Transport Control Protocol for efficient data transfer. Think of HTTP as the request and response language while TCP handles the reliable delivery of information packets behind the scenes. While HTTP works on the transport application layer, while TCP works over the transport layer. A solid understanding of HTTP is crucial because it forms the foundation for APIs. APIs or Application Programming Interface use HTTP as their communication language. Remember, HTTP governs how information flows on the web. It facilitates communication between clients and servers, ensuring a seamless user experience. We'll continue to delve deeper into HTTP, but as this forms the foundation, so one should know the basics of HTTP. Let's meet you in the next session.